Welcome to part 4 of our tutorial. This is CAD in BIM. My name is Lucas Chacha and I'm a CAD instructor. So in this tutorial, we'll be showing you on how now you can on how you can place your beams after doing an import of your model from AutoCAD as we did in our previous video. And if you like to get the CAD file that you like to use so that you can design alongside what I'm doing here, I'll leave the link in my video on description part of the video, or you can simply contact me in WhatsApp and then I'll get you the file. So let's get started. So to insert a beam, you have to insert your beams here. There is this icon here which is named beam, this one named wall, this is column. So under beam you can simply click here and then this way now you start inserting. Alternatively, you can simply come at concrete members. You have the concrete member and you have the steel members. Now since that you are doing the concrete member, just click on concrete members and then you come and select beam. Then you have your dialog box there, and now this is the label of your beam, and then we'll like now to decide our beams because our columns are 230 by 230. That's the minimum size of our columns. We like our beams to flush directly with the column, so the breadth of our beam should be 230, and then the height or the depth of our beam here by default is 500, but let me put it 550, and then I click update. So I can now come to my model and start placing my beams where it has, you can see that X, so it shows you where the center is. You can simply click there, then come up to here, click, you have your beam. You can see it is 230 by 550. So however, we are going to have two type of beam, actually three. So just go to the end to see how I'm going to change and why. So you can do this and you get your beams there. Alternatively, you can simply go to the last part here and click, and you have your beam there. Then you can come here. No. Yes, we are okay. We just can simply come up to here. We have our beam, have a 450 beam here, and then we can simply come up to the end here. Just come on along to this one here. So all my columns were aligned along an axis, so they are orthogonal, so meaning that all of them will be flashing directly. Then I just come here and we are done. So once you are done with your external beams, let me see how they look like. Yes, so I'll be looking to place also other beams here, which will be, yes, so this is our cantilever. So since we'll be having a cantilever here, the cantilever also needs to be supported by a beam. So we can simply do this. But now we should use a relatively smaller beam. That's why I say that now we can use this one as a secondary beam for the cantilever one. So let's just delete this and now come and let's now change it to 400. And now this one will be our secondary beam, and then we just simply come here and place it here. You can see this 400 by 250. And then we just come up to this end here. Then you can also put your beams here. Do we need this beam at the end of a cantilever here? You can see this is 550 while this one is 450. So So what I think I'll not need is this one here. So let's just delete it. Yes, this one will be a cantilever slab. Let me also come here, delete this, and also I come here and delete that. Yes. So using the same you can just click again on beam and try to put other secondary beams like this one here. I can just use a 400 beam. We are assuming the members will do the design, and then in case of any failure we can adjust our members. So we also have this one is around 400, and also comes here. You can see I've placed my beams here. We also have some secondary beams here up to there. I think that beam was supposed to run here, not so. Yes, you can also come here. We need the secondary beams here, 450. We also come and place it here. So we are done. You also need to place it here. So we are left with these longer spanning beams here that they don't have a column. So for this one, I'll use a beam of 700. So I'll just simply come to here and change the breadth to 700. In case of failure, we'll see what we can do, because we don't have columns and these are very long. 8 span is a very long span. So this is like we'll be designing a bridge. So you can see the dimension. Let me just show you. This 230 by 700. So that's the beam that we are doing here. So we don't have uniform beams depending on the span. You can see I've been changing the height. Can even do 750 just in case. Yes, new beam crossing out, it's okay. I think we are done. We also have this one here. Did we have a column on this side here? I think we ought to have a column here, and we ought to have columns here. We ought to have columns there, but I think almost done. These are mega projects, so it takes time to place those. So I like to add some columns here because it's like when you are doing AutoCAD, or you can go back to your model, your architectural model, and check just in case you are in doubt of anything. So let's go to our model and check and see if we had some beam that was supposed to be, not beam actually, if we had some column at the center. Yes, you can see we have some beam here, these ones. So to add those ones, so we need some beams here. So to add those ones, you just come under, not beams but columns. You just come there and then you define your beams. So for, you can use the square 230 by 230. Then click update. Just come here, insert there column, insert here column, and also insert there another column. So I think that's all about beams and that we have done. We'll be having a cantilever there. So I think we are done placing beams. So in our next column, we'll be placing our slab. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and if you need this file so that we can practice with you, please leave my WhatsApp number in the description, or you can just buy it on Seller. Thank you so much. Let's